Palm Beach County, what's up? My name is Lancey with Digital Vibes. We are fired up for this year's Let's Move Commit to Change Physical Activity Challenge. To make the challenge even more fun, we are hosting our very own video contest. If you would like to participate, all you need to do is upload a video of you doing something physical with your group. It could be skating, dancing, or even playing basketball. Anything that will get your community to get up and let's move. Once you're done uploading the video on YouTube, send us the link at letsmove@digitalvibes.com. Once the video is received, it will be featured on our website and on all our social media platforms. In order to qualify, all entries are due the last Friday in March. Contest winners will be announced at our Let's Move event and also awarded with a trophy. Don't forget to log in at least 30 minutes every day in the month of March at letsmovepbc.org. Hope to see you soon. Let's move!